Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I do very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything, and I'm coming live and from my beautiful home right now. So wow, let me close the door before I move. I must close the door. Sometime when my brother wake up in the morning, he didn't close the door. So guys, I want to take you outside to see what is going on before I move, so that's my bike. Over there, that's my tiles. Although when I get cement soon, I will be back to my, I think this week. It depends. Maybe tomorrow, because I have one bag of cement, I will start on that and to see the progress. So as you can see, and just outside like this. So anyway, I look there. Anyway, guys, today it's another day, but hopefully I will miss home. I'm telling you, I will miss home like maybe some couple of hours, and I'm heading somewhere else right now. If you're watching these videos, you might know where I'm heading to. And guys, you mean a lot for me, and I thank God. I'm always healthy enough, and I have good health, guys. So that's my project over there, so I don't want to mention every time, but for me, when I see the structure like that, I feel so good, guys. What about you? And hopefully you are supporting me a lot and a lot by watching my videos. May God bless you. So well, I'm feel good because today it's another day and I'm heading to somewhere else. And this video, guys, for sure are very special. And technically after this, maybe I'm going to check the land for my neighbor before maybe I move to somewhere else in other ways. So let's go and see. So for now, let me check my mom because no one is here. So I want to close the gate. Nobody's here, and I didn't understand where my mom heading to. Let me check my mom, and then I said hi, goodbye, mom. Sometime when I left home, I said goodbye, mom. Wow. So it's long time, guys. It's a long time, but let's see. Where's my mom heading to? I didn't understand my mom. And actually, guys, if you are new on today's videos, this is my material over here. We have one tipper for the stones. Man, for me, I can't complain. I made a huge role model toward my family. So I suppose to check my mom on this side and didn't find her. So basically, let me close the gate. I wear the jacket because anytime the climate changes, all the weather will be changed anytime. So I must wear the jacket and all stuff, and then I get out. You know what I mean, guys? Wow. You heard the birds? They are singing. You heard? That's the bird. They are singing maybe some good song. Wow. Wow, guys. I'm looking for the padlock to lock the gate because nobody's here. And let me take my jacket. Oh, guys, sorry for that. Oh, I'm taking my charger and these jackets. Wow. Okay guys, I was taking this jacket and my charge is just over here, so in case when I'm going to somewhere else, at least I could charge my phone. So I want to wear this jacket because right now it's cold, it's freezing outside, so I want to wear. Oh, sorry guys for that. And I want to button this jacket. Guys, for me, no more hide. I want to show you how I'm moving on, how I'm doing things, you know. But today's videos, you will see, you will enjoy. It's long time. You will enjoy, guys. So let me put my camera here because I'm buttoning this jacket. Guys, sorry for interference, but I'm trying to button this jacket. It is hard, you know. Wow. Just a minute, guys. We'll flow with the vibe. Just a minute. Okay, like that. So maybe anytime when the weather changes, I'm just okay. So this is my charger here. I put on my pocket. Inside here. Ooh. Wow. Guys, for sure, we flow with vibe. I'm telling you. Like that. And then I'm just okay. So that is it. Let me lock here. Yabon! Yabon! Guys, I'm calling my sister. Yabon! 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 Njoo ukae nje hapa, mama ameenda. So this is my trouser here. Yesterday I was washing it and all stuff. So njoo. Ah? Amka, hakuna mtu kaa hapa nje. Wow. So I want to confirm, and I'm calling my sister from inside the house because maybe my mom went somewhere else. So probably guys, I want my sister to be stay around because when maybe somebody or my visitor knock the gate, he'll maybe have somebody inside the compound. Bruno! That's my Bruno. I'm telling you guys, my pup is growing so big, like crazy. Njoo. Wow. So my pup is growing big, I'm telling you. And I'm waiting my sister, guys. Just a minute. We'll flow with vibe. And guys, share my videos to your family. Share my videos. Like, for example, when I get 5 people, share my videos to 50 people or to 10 people. I get 50 subscribers. My sister with the vibe. Say hello. Hello. Yes, she wake up in the morning like this. So kaa hapa mama akuje. Yeah, I'm telling to be sit maybe. Chukua kitu kaa hapa. Mbasi ingia hapo. Yeah, I'm telling her just maybe take a chance, sit. You wait my mom when it's coming. Wow. So for me, oh guys, let's go. Let's wake up. Wow guys, let's go. Woo. I'm outside like this, so that's how it go. Wow. Ooh. The man of vibe. Wow. Let's go. And this video starts from my home until to the new destination, guys, where I'm heading to. And I normally use this shortcuts inside here. Wow. So for my returning subscriber, thank you so much, may God bless you. And for my silent subscriber, thank you so much, may God bless you abundant. So we just move like this. Wow. Let's go. This is another beautiful day, you know. The only thing that maybe you interfere with my village here, it's maybe the birds singing some song. Only that the noise that maybe you have from aside from East African Kenya. More so in my village here. Wow. That is it. Oh, what a good day. I'm outside. Wow, and actually I'm heading this way, so that the maize corn that you see there, all of them, that's the maize corn. Wow. See, the land of grain, of nature. Everything green. Look, even other side, green. I'm telling you. Look. Wow, guys. I can't wait. Guys, for sure. I can't wait to maybe the time to be rich. To put some tiles. For sure. I was waiting for the several time. But as long as I have tiles, anytime I'll fix it. But maybe when I get to like 4 bags of cement or 4 to 5, I think everything will be okay. But for now, by tomorrow, 1 bag of cement that I have on my store, I will use it, and then I'll try to keep pushing slowly, guys. And I think by the end of December, my family will launch that toilet for sure, because it's long time. It's long time, and guys, dream are valid, you know. That's how we go, guys. Maybe people will wonder, why don't you maybe use a motorbike? Sorry, today we are not using a motorbike. You will see this video, guys. So that's the reason why I came from home by walking. And sometimes walking is good to make an exercise to your body, you know. Every time maybe I'm in motorbike. Sometimes I decide maybe to walk, like maybe maybe for example today we are heading to somebody else or to somewhere else, and then there's no need maybe to use a motorbike. So that is it. I'm just going like that. So if you follow this vlog from my home up to where I'm heading to, or up to the end of this vlog, you will see. Wow. Oh, let's see, guys. Have the beautiful trees. How the inside here. You see. We have cassava plantation here, over there. Wow. So guys, anyway, we shall meet on today's videos where I'm heading to. I want to say stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, guys, from my village here. Well guys, so right now the time is so limit, and we're rushing to somewhere else. So I want to have the motorbike here. Oh, I don't know, maybe I can get that motorbike because it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'm trying to see whether I can get the motorbike here, because the place that I'm heading to is far from here. And let's see. Oh guys, finally I'm just over here, heading this way right now. Wow guys, I'm telling you, I was looking right, left, center whether I can find the bike. But it is what it is, guys. Because of time, I'm keep going. What? I don't know, maybe let me go. I'm trying to run, but I can catch the bike because the time was so limited here. And wow. Oh guys, I made the bike. Wow. I'm just over here. We keep hitting the road, and my driver is David Jr.
Hello guys, hoping you're doing fine. My name is David Jr. I'm a digital content creator. We decided to leave home just to do some activities here, and today I'm driving a different car.
Yes.
It's a Toyota car, and yeah, it feels good to be here. So enjoy the video till the end. Give it a like, subscribe. Let us get to know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And we're almost at our destination.
Yes, guys, you see outside. That's how we hit the road. Like crazy, guys. Look outside. Maybe third time to show you this place. Wow. This is a highway road.
Yeah, it's a good road actually.
And at the back we have.
Hey guys, it's Brother Dagi here, and I'm with Hero Baby. I'm with my brother David Jr. guys. So we are heading somewhere, and there is amazing coming from this content. So kindly please watch the video until the end. And guys, you know what? We love you. And also don't forget to check me on my YouTube channel at Brother Dagi.
Right.
Brother Dagi YouTube channel, guys. Welcome.
Wow. You know, guys, please look outside. You see? Wow. Right. We keep going. Oh, I'm telling you guys, look. We have a roundabout here. Wow. Hey. It's the real life. I'm telling you. So guys, I have here some small juice. I'll keep enjoying the life in my village here.
Baby love soft life.
Yes.
Soft life.
You're the one who give me soft life. Why not?
Soft life is good.
I'm telling you, it's
guys,
good.
soft life is something which is good. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, this is a super highway road. You see?
No, it's not a super highway road, but
It's a kind of a highway.
it gives you the vibe of the super highway. And this place is nice, this road.
Yeah.
It's kind of a carpet road. You know, we are at
kind
KC
of-
right now. Yeah, kind of a carpet road.
Right. Look.
Yeah, it's a nice road by the way.
Yes, guys. You see?
When the consumption of fuel is so low here.
Yeah. So guys, I'm trying to imagine maybe this road could be maybe connected to my village there. Soft road. No bumps, you know. And then maybe when you're going on the right side, road are so narrow. Wow. All right. Keep going. Hey. Wow. Full of green. It's outside. Wow. Guys, enjoy this vlog until I'm heading to. Wow. This one called Lucaton Boost. Other people are on motorbike, but Hello Baby is on a beautiful car here, Toyota car. Keep going. Wow. Oh. See? It seems they are outside. outside we have the beautiful house here. So now guys, I'm just around a few kilometers to reach Kisi town, and today's another day which God have blessed us. Look. Hey.
So the other one heads to Kisumu.
This one?
Yeah, this other one heads to Nairobi.
Wow guys, this one going to Kisumu, and this one that I'm using go to Nairobi. Wow.
Hi class, when should we go to Nairobi? You know, baby wants to go to Nairobi. Even tomorrow, when you say tomorrow, let's go, we will go. Guys, baby, are you ready?
Yes.
Guys, David Junior, if he decided today that we are going to Nairobi. Even today? Yes, I'm telling you the truth. We will go, guys, because we need to give you the amazing content from here in East Africa, Kenya. So definitely wait, it's coming soon.
Hey,
It's coming soon, guys.
Yeah. Right, guys.
Are you ready to go to Nairobi?
I'm ready.
Really?
I'm ready for sure. Maybe will be my first impression to be Nairobi
Are you
as
not
a village
scared of
boy.
getting lost?
Now, how am I going to scare and then I have a pro?
Are you not afraid of getting lost?
No.
Huh?
I'm not afraid. But I remember last time I lost in Kisumu. Do you remember? And then you tried to find me and then finally get it. Wow.
These are Benz.
These are Benz. Hey, you see? Wow. Look at that car. Amazing. Oh, but one day, dream will become to reality. I will have my small car. Like a baby car driving. Wow.
So welcome to Kisi. Actually, I drove to this place in less than an hour.
Yes, less than an hour.
So this is Kisi town.
In case you knew, guys, this is a Kisi town. Oh, look. See outside. People are working so hard to put something on the table. I'm telling you guys.
So these are they call Darajambi.
Yeah, this is Darajambi. People are outside. Now here they call Darajambi. You know, my mom told me, oh, do you know Darajambiri? That's wow. So this road that we are using right now, guys, it's heading to Nairobi. I'm telling you. And maybe today's a market day. Side. Hello. Yeah. Hey, that's mama. That's my mom calling me. They sold clothes. Oh. Wow. See, there's a small business over there. Look. Wow, guys. Sorry for the noise. Oh, road is a town. See? Wow.
Twende tu juu. Twende juu, twende juu. Twende huko tuanzie Honda, twende juu. Twende pia huko hivi. Atuanzie huko kwa ile tukikuja tu.
Yeah. I'm telling you. This is Kisi. A clean town. Whoa. Oh, guys.
Really drove so fast.
Yes. And I love the fact that you drove wisely. you know. you are a pro. No guys, I'm telling you, it's easy. See how people are outside hustling, right, left, center. Yeah. Oh, you see outside over there. Wow. And this town is a busy town, and maybe you'll be very careful. Wow. Whoa. This is a mall here, and at the same time it's a bank. Whoa.
No, there's
Hey
no
guys,
more.
there's no more.
These are small supermarkets.
Okay.
A mall is a supermarket. A mall is bigger than a supermarket.
Yes, it's combined. Maybe they sold maybe so many things. Wow. Look outside.
You can go inside the mall, they sell cars, everything.
Wow. Any guys, stay tuned. We shall enjoy these videos until the end, guys. Wow, guys, things change. So right now I'm with motorbike. Woo! Right now, you see? Sila boleh kau. See guys. Look the house. People hustling. Oh guys, I'm enjoying here. Pepe Kusi. Hey, guys, I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys, it's a clean town. Wow. But a busy town at the same time. That's Kenya Power Office. Oh, they sold some small bag over there, clothes, small radio. Hey, and these are supermarket, Kisimat. You see over there? Wow. Means Kisimat. Wow. This is Honda shop. They sold Honda. That whole house that you see, they sold tank over there. Whoa. Hey. No, tunaenda na pikipiki. Enda hapo hivyo kwa store. Well, guys, so I'm just around here, and I'm trying to adventure. This place.
Convenience generators and tractors. Oh, very nice. Where is this? Which model is this? Oh, Peugeot. I know Peugeot. In India, Peugeot is there. Very good car. Okay, Peugeot.
And also,
So this is your channel. I will like on that.
actually, let me show you what I do. I travel actually. I've been in the Philippines, I passed through Hong Kong.
Okay.
I've been to Cape Town as well.
Yeah.
South Africa. So this is what I do.
So you are a YouTuber.
Yeah,
Very good. Okay.
this is my channel.
Nice.
So these are my videos. See the views. One day.
Okay. So good, Jared. We discuss about the comedian, but he is also YouTuber. Okay. Maybe we can work on one topic. Yeah. Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Have you been on road shows and other?
No, I've been traveling. Like recently, I was in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I've shown you.
Yeah. No problem. Even I will
When you
like that.
go through my channel, you
David,
get to
yeah.
understand
David,
what I do.
So Nip, you take this contact
Yeah,
and
just take
we'll
it.
study. Okay.
Yeah.
And maybe how can we work together. Okay?
Exactly.
Okay. Good. Thank
Thank you
Best of
so
luck.
much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finally, guys, we just around at this motorbike shop. So we have much of them, and today it's a kind of a surprise. These are the things that we came to buy from here. Wow! So we tried to look for the sport bike, but we didn't get. So we tried to buy 150. Let me show you. Oh. We tried to have this one. This 150. I'm telling you, 50cc. Yeah. So I must be there when I was looking, maybe making some service and all stuff. Wow. This one here. Right. Guys, I'm driving new machine here. Wow. Let's see. So I'm just around here. Whoa. Wow, I'm going back home. See that? I'm launching this and we're heading back home right now. Brand new. Wow. Hold up door. Oh. Slowly guys. No press. Wow. Until we go back home. We shall meet on the next video, guys. From here. Wow, guys. Real story from here. I'm keep going. Hello baby guys, and I'm driving new machine from here, guys. Wow. So this is a kind of a small highway. So we try to go up to Yabuhanse village from Kisi town. Wow. That is it. No? Wow. Oh, guys. Highway here. We have the down road I'm keep going, so maybe I'll do like kind of a record from here. Wow, the motorbike, you see, roundabout. Look there. Whoa. Right, heading this way. That one there. Brand new Lolo. Right. Let's go. That is it. Construction been going on there. How I go back to the village. Today is not a normal day, and we try to see. Look, but there, the side. See the house? Wow. Garage is going on there. Wow. And I wear the reflector, guys, this one here. Right. Guys, so now I'm in Migori right now. I'm heading back home, so it's a distance by itself. Let's see. Okay. Wow. So that is it. Just riding this baby slowly, guys. Uptown. Let's see. That's how it goes. Anyway, we shall meet when I'm reach back home, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, finally, oh Allah. So keep going, guys. This is Nyabohansa, guys. I'm home right now. God is good, man. Guys, I'm telling you, new machine in the village. You see? So that is it, guys. I thank God, and I reached safe. So finally, guys, I'm around at my village. Whoa, amazing one, new machine. Hey. Wow, I'm telling you, guys. So today's videos are very special, and we thank God, man, for the gift of life. So this is Hello Baby official, guys. Today I'm on another look. You see? Wow. So new machine step in the village here. Well, guys, maybe sorry you don't see me clear, but when I take this helmet out, you will see me, guys. So stay tuned. So finally, I'm just over here. So this is Hello Baby, and I drove this machine and it's brand new, so I want to open right now here. Oh, so you will see. That is it. So I want to take new machine inside. So anyway guys, sorry for the maybe noise and movement of the vehicle, but I'm the one who drove this stuff from the shop up to here, and we say go and take you. Wow. Guys, even the dog are feeling so happy. Anyway, let me take it. Side. Like that. Here you go. Tigure buye. Oh, so I want to lock the gate right now. Eh? Ah, shh, come on. Let down. Shh. Alright, so the dog ran away, but at the same time it feels so good. Chigego. Eh. Aran tu bichari choka isiku. Ntige kenu igo. Yeah. Thank you, and shoot at so. So I want to open the gate. Simba! Simba! Right, they will be coming back. Oh, it's a tough journey by itself, but we thank God we reach safe with this new machine here. Right. So stay tuned guys, more amazing videos coming. Hey guys, so I'm back home finally after maybe all the way the journey, maybe from Kisii to the village. And guys, you know what, I decided let me launch this stuff, and maybe several times I will maybe riding this, maybe taking Congrats Dad everywhere, and at the same time maybe tomorrow we'll train him. So guys, I decided to come here, and today guys I supposed to buy some tires, but because of these issues, maybe going to look that motorbike, and it's far away from here. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Love is for free. And I'm shooting this video, it's so late, but it is what it is, and I'm trying to see the weather is changeable, and technically tomorrow I want to deliver some 5 bags of cement, and maybe some few boxes of tiles, because that being said, when God say yes, nobody can say no. And guys, you are amazing to me, you mean a lot, and I want to say sorry to the weather is changeable, and right now I'm trying to run with time. So technically by tomorrow you will see those 5 bags of cement that I'm waiting maybe to buy. And if you dream something and then the dream come to reality, so and then there's some maybe I will buy 4 boxes of tiles here, and you will see that video. And actually I'm feel so good because I made another step. So by Monday I will start to put more effort here. Wow guys, sorry because I was driving and the hair might be look like shagarabaga. So I'll buy 4 boxes for here for walling outside. And that being said guys, God is good always, all the time. And technically I'm so grateful to for the love and support by showing me some love. So anyway, apart from this 1 bag of cement that are inside here, I will add 4 bags or 5, and I want to manage maybe the money that I have, maybe to manage to have some cement and tiles. But only way I can fix tiles is from here going this way and only here. But outside, like this way, I will paint, I will put rough cast. You will see, guys. The rest of inside, the toilet and washroom, and outside, the only that I will paint. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. So technically, let me say hi to my mom. It's maybe it's some few maybe minutes or some few hours. I was not in the morning, and when I left, even I didn't tell my mom where I'm heading to. But even for me, I want to say thank you so much for people who keep supporting us. Like, man, congrats, Dad, have a brand new motorbike. And that being said, I'm feel so good, because at the same time, when mine it doesn't have maybe fuel, I will use this one, maybe taking them around, maybe escorting. Congrats, Mom. God answer the prayer, man. So that is it. That's 150cc, and for the first time maybe landed at my home, you know. So I'm a driver, and technically I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful when I see such kind of a huge progress like this or transformation. May God bless you who did this to congratulate Dad. I want to say thank you so much, but sorry for that. Maybe this video it's included to Dave Jr., but I said no. You know what, maybe when we're heading somewhere else, and I get some requests, I made a video and all stuff, man. It's raining. You see even my shoes, and I supposed maybe to wear the gumboots because of the weather and all stuff, man. Oh man, I can't wait to share with you. But this, it's glory to God and mercifully, and I'm pray also I myself, when maybe I'm drive this maybe machine, my God always be with me, and maybe when congrats Dad drive this machine, also may God be with him. So technically feel so good, man. I'm telling you, on today's videos are very special, and you see how I was driving from maybe Kisii town up to here, all the way from Kisii up to my village. And guys, I can't wait to share with you, but this is a good story from East African Kenya, and at the same time I have my sister here. Say hello.
Hello.
Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, in fact I like to have my family around, and even yesterday I saw on the comment section people like how my mom and my sister say hello to you, and I'm so grateful. Wow, it's the kind of smoky, but I want to change the I want to wear the heavy clothes, because right now it's a rain season, and maybe sometime I have good moods to drive new machine, you know, maybe for the first time. But mine, it's not a brand new, it's a second hand, but I'm always using for the several time. Maybe you will see that videos, and maybe at this moment God opened the door, and we try to ride new motorbike. Imagine, guys, I can't complain. All the way from Kisii town up to here, the journey was so amazing. And a big shout out to David Jr., and also don't forget my brother. Big shout out to brother Dagi. Go and check him. We are both of us, but when I'm coming back to my village, I was driving alone that motorbike. That is it. This is my local toilet, but soon my family will migrate to use that. Maybe for me, I'm calling modern toilet, and maybe, but for now, I'm so grateful for the love and support. So technically right now, some students have been maybe finished school and all stuff, you know what I mean. Wow, I see my brother from far end. So maybe guys, you see the weather, it's almost raining time, and that is it. So I want to wear the heavy clothes and gumboots, and then maybe I'll turn that motorbike to congratulate that, because there's no space. But I'm mnatoka wapi? Tunaoneleke. Oh, nyeni wa kanisa. Wow, so that's the metal box, and it's meant maybe for the church. Maybe icho. Wow. Right, guys. It's freezing day, but hopefully it's a blessed day. When we brought that motorbike at Congrats mom's home, after filming let me say 30 minutes, rain came, and I said, oh man, you know what? That's the blessing. Wow, the motorbike come with a lot of blessing. Wow, even they're calling me. I think so. Hello. Hey. Aya basi ngoja nitoke nyumbani. Na nimekuja kuvaa gumboot na jacket. Aya, anyway, don't worry. I will bring for you. Yeah? Sawa, don't worry. Just left for that. Okay, no problem. I will come. Niko kwa video unajua? Na shoot video bana. Kidogo tu. Yes, sasa hivi tu. Right, so I'm telling them I'm on the video, but that call is from my family. My brother was been calling me. If you know my brother, is the one who maybe I was gifting him, maybe done for him some shopping. Man, look at this. Tomorrow I'll take you to my big project. But anyway, guys, I wanna say God, thank you a million, because I'm not perfect, and guys, you're the one who made it possible, and now I'm changing my life slowly. Even in the morning I didn't take anything, but I have some 1 cup of tea and all stuff. So this is the material here. We have another one here. At least for now, man, I have the starting point. Wow, guys, the way is changing, and I want to go to Border Town and to make 1, 2, 3, and then we came back. That is it. So that being said, earlier I want to wear the gumboots. Guys, are you ready for this? It is what it is. Tomorrow's videos, it's all about surprise. And in case you're new here, thank you so much for clicking my videos. Thank you so much for always be with me up now. When God says yes, nobody can say no. But that is it. I'm feel so grateful to see that motorbike. Man, do you know that mood that I have? Man, it's not a joke. Wow. Whoa, Mom. This motorbike is for your uncle. Yes, and actually, guys, my mom and Congrats dad. Mom called Congrats dad uncle. Ama si uncle yako? Ama ni nani?
Uncle.
Guys, look at similar. So it's my mom. She was calling Congrats dad uncle for sure. It's blood to blood. No, maybe faking, maybe, yeah.
We saw
See, you are calling David Junior's Mjomba. Mjomba means uncle. It's not maybe like you try maybe because of maybe you see family success and then you say, oh, it's my family member. No, man. I'm telling you, this is the reality. And my mom called Congrats dad uncle for sure. And I'm telling you, you see the look. No problem. That is it. And I'm so grateful. Like your sister, sorry guys, sister, don't worry, Christmas soon you'll see. Maybe I will take you making hair and all stuff. Where is your doll?
Yes.
Dolly?
Dad.
Guys, because of you guys, even me, I didn't have maybe any clue. But just like I'm dreaming. My sister got a nice doll. For me, I'm calling a toy, because a toy is a kind of maybe image that maybe young kids play with it. But I went maybe from here on the same that we went to buy this motorbike. I go around, I found a nice toy, and it was a magical toy. When you press, they try to change maybe some sounds, behave like a kid and all stuff. Do you know what I mean? And anyway, I bought around $40. It's so expensive. But you know what, guys? I said, okay, rather than maybe buying those expenses, maybe doll or toy to my sister, you have maybe maybe $50, $3, but we try maybe to buy something very unique. And my sister, she was enjoying with it, and I think Ikosa.
Yes.
Yes, I'm asking whether it's okay. Okay, at the same time, there's my family, and in case you're new here, there's my mom and my sister. So we blessed with one sister, that is it. So let me check my puppy. You know, like yesterday I washed my puppy and all stuff. Ooh, oh damn. That's my baby. That's my baby. I can't wait to share with you this story from here. And technically, before I going to check my baby, my Bruno or my puppy, this is the tiles for the wall. And actually, tomorrow morning I'm going to add for outside of the wall, but on the different color. Wow, this is the tank here. And we tried to talk with my plumber, because he has some work to do, a lot of work to do. And on Monday I'll work on that tap. So if you watch my previous videos, I was talking with my plumber, and we negotiate and all stuff. You know what I mean? So I want to use that water. At the same time, when maybe my family use the modern toilet, they fetch water from here and all stuff, and using everywhere, and so on and so on. Bruno, Mr. Bruno. There's my puppy there. You can't see maybe the inside. You can see them. That's my Bruno. Wow. My mom has already tied the cow. That is it. And both of them, my mom, they tried to milk them. But this one here, they brought new calf. This one is the mud. This is the mud of this here. This cow that you see here. Wow. So guys, anyway, thank you so much for take this chance, maybe by watching my videos until the end. And it's a good memory from my village. And according to me, it was my first impression to drive a new bike from the town up to the village, and maybe I create a good record toward my audience. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Wish I meet on the next video, maybe while I'm heading to Border Town or in other. So for now, I'll come and show you how I'm wearing the gumboot and all stuff. So because I want to wear heavy clothes rather than this one, you know what I mean? So this one I wear in the morning, and let me keep it here. So technically, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And in case you're new here, please guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, comment, like my videos, and share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, guys. It's raining time, and we shall meet on the next video, guys. So I want to add this one, and then I'll take this one, I'll add on top. Panguza zobiaka kuchobiti huko ndani kwa beshini, panguza nje, usioshe. Alright guys. Wow. So bado umeziosha. Osha tu afu panguza. That is it. I'm wearing this jacket. Maybe the reason why I had this on top, I'm unipe zile gambuti zangu. And unipe gambuti tu. Yeah, I'm requesting my sister to bring for me gumboots. And then I want to button this. Wow. That is it. Chopeke iko maji, hata nipangozi. So thank you so much. May God bless you for watching these videos. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.